What's the meaning of aspirate? Aspirate. Aspirate.
Aspirate. Aspirate. Aspirate is a verb that means to pronounce a speech sound with a strong puff of breath, typically at the start of the sound. This is often heard in languages such as English, where sounds like p, t, and k are aspirated at the beginning of a word. When a sound is aspirated, it creates a small burst of air which can be felt if you put your hand in front of your mouth. Aspiration can help distinguish between different sounds in a language, and is an important aspect of linguistics and phonetics.